school out there. All the people coming to pick up their kids. And then here is the new location. Let's check it out inside. Walls there, bathroom. Extend this wall out over, cut that off, entry. So here's a sneak peek before we start getting it all built out. Finally got everything down here for the most part. Waiting on the rigging, which I'll show you that in a little bit. But padding's here. Got the padding. Got the covers are coming. Flooring. We got lumber. Got more lumber coming. Tools all here. Dirt bikes. Got to go. But pretty much empty space. And this will be our Goodyear location. So pretty much empty space. Ready to rock and roll. I got the guys coming in tonight, tomorrow. And we're going to start building it out over here. Back here, we're going to extend the party room walls out. Finish it off, and then put the front desk in right here as well. Our main entrance will be right here, and then seating area and whatnot will be in this corner. And then we're gonna have monitors, big TVs on these walls, probably back here. We'll put some up here, and then front desk will be here, and then some monitors up there as well. Probably one up there, big one. And then I'm still undecided. We might go this way with the rigging, or we might go this way. Not decided yet. I got to do a little layout yet. I'll show you that once we kind of measure it up. Won't be too exciting, but give you an idea how we kind of figured that part of it out to make it flow good, so we can run multiple classes and make it as efficient as possible and as functional as possible. Other than that, so that kind of gives you a sneak peek at what it looks like now and what we got planned. So we got some packages coming. He claims there's 13. We'll see. What's that? All right, dude. That it? Yep. All right, thanks. Got to make a little small talk. So now we have the steels coming, or the rigging, and then like typical build-out fashion, all that's in the way. So now I got to move that so we can get in that overhead door and drop the load over there with forklift.
Jesus!
Wait.
Yeah. Where? Like a 180 or.
I didn't really. Oh yeah. Perfect. Yep. Thanks a lot, man. I'll stop by tomorrow.
And I got me in a welder. BMX magazine. I'm like, God damn it!
Nowadays, bikes like that all over.
Yeah.
So it's almost the end of Monday. Mark's coming in, David's coming in tonight, and pretty much ready to rock and roll. We're going to start the walls tomorrow for here, and then the warped walls. Warped walls, we'll have to move that and start setting up the rigging. So that'll be tomorrow. called